Morning everyone, apologies for the hair. Just been on a 60-mile bike ride, first one in a long time. Today's video, day 7, is the importance of leveling up. Always try to be a small fish in a big pond and never be the smartest guy in the room, as they say. So I've just been out on a ride with a cyclist which is levels above me, Mr. Ian Callan, good friend of mine, and he is a brilliant cyclist and dragged me along there for 60 miles. In the past, I would have just plodded along at a reasonable pace and got it done, but the difference in attacking it and getting dragged along by someone that's miles better than you, this is just reference to fitness and cycling, but it's just exactly the same in business and life. Always try and level up. You won't look back. Cheers guys, see you later.